200 here, and I'm making this video pretty late at night, but I thought I'd show you all of my keypads except for the 5828V. I actually am at my grandmother's house right now, so I'm gonna make this video right now. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. This is a DSC Power Series keypad. I can't remember the model number to it. Here it is. This door is not original to it. I put this door on here. Moving on. This is an Ademco 6139, which I got this one from Jack Williamson. And over here is an Ademco 6128 ADT, Generation 1. And this is kind of a rare keypad. Find a one of these older ADT keypads that actually have the sticker on it, then that's good. So I guess keypad. This is an Ademco 6128, the second generation 28, and this one you can definitely tell this one's been used. Okay, moving on. Over here is another Ademco keypad. Pretty much most of my keypads are Ademco. This is an Ademco 6137B. Yeah, this is high-low, and this was, you mainly find these on SafeWatch Pro 2000 panels, which is also the same for this one here. Now this is another Ademco 6139B. While the other 6139s have a piezo in them, this one has a speaker in it. As you can see, the speaker is right there. Okay, moving on. Right over here is an Ademco 6160. Is a first generation 6160 that actually sounds like this 39B, and I got this one brand new in box, which is also pretty rare to get brand new in box. I'm gonna have to get on the bed for this. Dang. Over here looks like a 6150. Well, you'd be right, it is a 6150. But like that 60 over there, this is the first generation 6150, and this one is lower pitched than the other ones that you're used to seeing, and it's also got the split terminals. And pretty much all the older Ademco keypads that had screw terminals are like that, except for the 28. Okay, over here. Alright, over here is a GE Interlogix UTC Concord 4 keypad. Yeah, and the model of this is 60983, also known as the ATP 1000. Now over here is an Ademco 6160V P-ADT. Right now it's speakerless. I took the speaker out and I put it in another keypad, which I'll explain about that later. Okay, moving on. Over here is another Ademco 6160V. Model, which Jack has the first generation model. So that has a security series that sounds like it's on steroids. And over here is an Ademco 6160, which I swapped the shell on because I accidentally broke the door on my other ones, so that's why you don't see the Honeywell logo there. Now I also put a Safe Watch sticker on there. Show you the back of it. Yeah. Okay. Moving on. Right here is an Ademco 6150 RF MT. Now really it's just a 6150 RF, but the MT is for Monotronics. It's got the Monotronics sticker on it. So I got this one new in box for a pretty good price. And over here, this is my first keypad. This is an Ademco 6150 ADT. Ago when the SafeWatch Pro 3000 was here. This was the keypad that was under the stairs, and every time I came here, I would go under the stairs, and I'm so happy I finally own that keypad now. Okay, moving on. Okay, pretty much this whole line right here is 6150s. Right here is a 6150 RF APX. Now it's the same thing as a 6150 RF. It's just APX alarm. Brandon has got this APX shell, which this keypad is unfortunately DOA. And the reason why you see it working in a few of my tests is because I swapped the motherboard from the RFMT. Over here, now this is a rare keypad. It's an Audi 5828V. This is a 6150V. Hear that? 150V, which I got this for a pretty good price on eBay. Now, if you can find these for a good price, then definitely get them, because these keypads, you know, they've been discontinued, and when you do see them on eBay, they can be a little bit pricey, and there's a pretty high demand for them right now. Yeah. And over here is an ADT TSSC KP keypad. Battery power. It's because I unplugged it from upstairs. Did the video, but over here is an Ademco 6460, which I got brand new in box for a steal. I paid like about $26 for this new. So yeah, that's pretty much all of my keypads, except for the 5828V, which my 5820V is at my house right now. So yeah, if you have any questions, then be sure to leave them in the comments.